So that's the cyclohexane. And that's the cyclohexane with water.
That's cyclohexane with water.
Okay.
Then we'll put it in the microwave.
How long are you gonna put it heat it up for?
I'm gonna heat it up for 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Okay, let's 2 minutes.
How about 30 seconds?
No, come on. Okay, 2 minutes.
That's a long time.
It's not that long.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Boom. There's a countdown over there.
Yeah, I see it. You think it's gonna explode?
Yeah.
How do you know which one's which?
Well, I know because cyclohexane and water doesn't mix.
Is it boiling?
Boiling.
Yeah, it's boiling. Stop it.
Both of them are boiling.
Both of them
Just
are?
that one is boiling. The one with water is boiling. But the cyclohexane is boiling point is lower. So if it was
Okay, so you're just boiling water now.
Yeah.
maybe
So stop it. I think you proved your point.
Okay.
Stop it.
All right. Let us see. That's
Ooh.
the one with water. Temperature.
Okay, it's hot. We know that one's hot. See that one. You didn't measure the temperature beforehand.
Yeah, but this one is 70. You don't tell me room temperature could be 70.
No, but it maybe got a little hot.
This one is going down.
Well, yeah, 'cause it's cooler. But you don't know what the temperature was beforehand.
Yeah, but it's a room temperature.
Is the glass hot?
No, not at all. Because it doesn't heat that stuff. Room temperature is about 30 something.
No.
So basically, that's about room temperature.
No, it's 20. Yeah,
Dep-
25.
Depending. When you're hot, that means more than 36.
Yeah.
Hot.
So it's definitely
Actually,
closer to
below
temperature.
30, actually. You see,
Yeah.
it's about 20
That's cool.
something. Yeah.
So why didn't the cyclohexane heat up in the microwave?
Well, it seems like it's, from what Daniel was saying, it's transparent to microwave radiation. Because microwave have to vibrate band that will kind of absorb a certain frequency. And then the cyclohexane is transparent.
To have that frequency.
So
Yeah.
it's not gonna absorb it at all.
That's cool.
So basically, yeah, I think it's awesome actually.
So why want to put something with oil in the microwave? The oil, like popcorn, the oil at the bottom and it heats up, and because if it's tuned for water, I guess oil's.
Well, I think it has a lot to do maybe with wavelength it absorb, and oil might absorb some of those. Pretty
But
much.
oil probably has water in it.
Yeah, it probably might
Yeah.
have water mixed with it. That's
Or it might just